Oh, look at that, in case you missed that video. That's how I make pulled chicken barbecue. It's all coming together today. This looks like a crock pot convention. Not everything's here yet, but that's so far. Well, it's getting closer to time. Oh, that looks so good.
Just a few more hundred breaths. It'll be filled up. I'm about to pass out just watching this.
Okay, so she's single, I think, but she likes guys who have broccoli hair.
Okay.
Right? Has to be broccoli, right?
Okay.
No? Okay, they have to look like, what was his name from Stranger Things?
Eddie.
Eddie. Have to look like Eddie Munson.
That's not true.
That kind of hair?
No.
So I got the lasagna soup, my pulled chicken barbecue, a chicken salad croissant, a ham and cheese and just regular grilled cheese, and some spinach dip, and look at these desserts. And there's so many more over there, but I didn't want to be a pig, so yeah. Yep, we had a... This is still not all the people. They haven't shown up yet.
How are you setting overall?
Well, this is the sky, and it's sprinkling a little rain. And it's supposed to, it was really nice today, but here I am off work, and now it's gotten cool, and it's getting dark, so yeah, no hiking today. Hey guys, I just got finished recording that video about how to make pulled chicken barbecue. I keep wanting to say pulled pork, because that's what you always hear. But anyway, it's pulled chicken. But it has been on my mind that I should run for mayor. I mentioned that in that video. Mayor of Loyal, Kentucky. And so far, everybody I've asked their opinion says, yeah, go for it. But I don't know. I'm not a politician. I do like to talk about politics. And I do like to debate politics sometimes. And I do have, you know, strong feelings about certain things. But I'm not a politician. But you know, then again, I think sometimes you are put into a position because you can offer something and you're meant to do something. So maybe, I don't know. I think I have some good ideas. I think that I could do a lot for the community. And so far, there's only one other person that has filed to run, which is still really early. But whether, you know, if he wins, I hope he would call me and say, hey, what are some of your ideas? And the same thing with me. If I win, I would definitely be calling him, saying, hey, what are some of your ideas? Because I think that's how the political game should be. You know, nobody, I mean, whoever gets the position is going to have to listen and be open to ideas. So yeah, I think I'll run.